There is no Chauhatta in district Saharsa, Your Lordship.
So this is the work of the High Court to change the address of the.
No. We have come against the order of the chairman, Your Lordship. My contention is simple that the chairman has no power. The board has power. बस इतना ही से मेरा कहना है. It should have been passed by the board.
Who passes the orders of the board?
बोर्ड का पावर अलग है, चेयरमैन का पावर अलग है. अगर इसको पास ओवर कर दिया है तो मैं.
Mr. Counsel, we are asking you.
Also, the matter is with regard to the 2459 Madrasas, and the report has been submitted by the Annexure, Your Lordship, which has in which the address of the Annexure 6, Your Lordship, whereby the address has been changed. That is my only contention that.
What is your grievance?
The grievance is that to change the address. The wrong address has been given with regard to the Madarsa. The report of the DEO itself says that there is no Chauhatta in district Saharsa.
So this is the work of the High Court to change the address of the.
No. We have come against the order of the chairman, Your Lordship. My contention is that the power of chairman is not.
Who has come against the order of the chairman?
We have come against the order of the chairman.
Where is that order of chairman?
That is the annexure, Lordship. Last annexure is this. Annexure 13, Lordship.
Page
44, Lordship. Our contention is only that the chairman has not.
अरे वो पढ़ तो लो उस order को.
Your Lordship.
What is that order?
Lordship. By the order dated 4/9/15 passed in Civil number Patna of this Honorable High Court, directed Madarsa Board that they will verify the position to take into consideration the Annexure 8 and then make the necessary correction in the address. Annexure 8 is the report of District Education Officer Saharsa, whereby the certificates where he certifies that there is no block named in Chauhatta instead of Nohatta. The name of Chauhatta has been typed. On the basis of the aforesaid report dated 6/6/12, the writ petitioner filed the writ application in the Honorable High Court for a direction upon the Madarsa Board to correct the address of the Madarsa Talim al-Quran, which has been disposed of with aforesaid observation in line. I have gone through the report of the Madarsa placed in office. The fact from the report, it appears that the Madarsa Talim al-Quran was affiliated with the Madarsa Board under letter number 87 with effect from 1/87 up to the current standard, whereby allowed the students of the Madarsa Group affiliate letters approved. Next paragraph. That later the state government under notification number dated recognized the list of the 2,986 affiliated madrasas. However, after bifurcation of the state of Jharkhand, the said number was 2,459 remained in the state of Bihar, and the madrasa in question was also placed in the list of serial number 2,151. Thereafter, the government under the circular number took a policy decision to provide financial assistance to all those madrasas which fulfill the criteria as laid down in notification number after due inquiry and notification and verification through the district education officer. In pursuant to the aforesaid direction as contained in the aforesaid notification dated the DEO Supol after the due inquiry and verification and having found the madrasa in question in which is within the district of Supol and running at its place at village Kariya, Pure Sotta, district Supol. It appears that thereafter the DEO Saharsa also under the letter number submitted the report my madrasa having the same as mentioned as serial number is running at village Barhara, Pure Nawatta, district Saharsa without enclosing their letter of affiliation. In view of the aforesaid report, the in charge 2004 madrasa Nur Islam under his letter number requested to clarify that under what circumstances the said report has been submitted when the said madrasa is not under Itna category. Next paragraph. It appears that the DEO Saharsa without verifying the address from the original affiliation letter has proceeded on the basis of the printed book wherein in place of Karaiya it has been typed as Soraya and other contents was correct with regard to P.O. Chauhatta, but the DEO Saharsa has read it as Madarsa Talim al-Quran as Barhara P.O. Nawatta district Saharsa and thus has made a new case, whereas from the report of the Nawatta district DEO Supol It is clear that the Madarsa Talim
All
Quran
right.
very.
So now you again come before this court.
I have come against the order of this court, Lordship. My contention is simple that the chairman has no power, the board has power. बस इतना ही सा मेरा कहना है. It should have been passed by the board. And the act says that the chairman has not innately not the power to pass such order. It should have been passed by the board. बस मेरा इतना ही सा कहना और कुछ नहीं कहना. इतने बोर्ड इसको इंक्वायर कर ले बस. काउंटर एफिडेविट मांगा गया था वो नहीं आया.
The petitioner by the counter affidavit तो आ गया इनका.
My lord,
नहीं आया.
on behalf of the Madarsa board, it has not been filed. The reason being, Lord, there is no existing chairman right now in the board.
19 में ऑर्डर हुआ था. 2019 में ऑर्डर हुआ था.
What is your act?
My lord, he should also have availed the provision of 28 for the appeal against the order of the chairman.
What is that act under which the
मेरे पास एक ऑर्डर जस्ट अभी अपलोड किया है, इसको अगर पढ़ के सुना रहे हो तो कुछ आसान
Bihar
है.
State Madarsa Education Act 1981.
With regard to
He
that,
should have filed the appeal against the order of the
ये तो
chairman.
पहले भी कंटेंशन आया था सामने. सिर्फ ओनली लॉ पॉइंट पे है, इसी पॉइंट पर हम यहाँ आए हैं. पिछली बार भी कंसिडर किया गया था और एक ऑर्डर है, मैं अगर कहूँ तो पढ़ के सुना दूँ.
पढ़िए. क्या ऑर्डर है? हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है?
हाँ, हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर.
क्या है? रेट पिटीशन नंबर?
लॉर्डशिप अभी बता, अभी जस्ट अपलोड किया मैंने. CWJC नंबर.
Where is the earlier order of CWJC 2013? ये लगाया?
हाँ, लगाया है.
अच्छा. Yes, पढ़िए.
इसमें याद में CWJC नंबर 2016-22 का ऑर्डर है. सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट पे उसमें कंसिडर किया गया है. Let a single judge, while hearing the appeal may LPM, found that any decision by the board or the chairman is available before the special secretary, come appellate authority, जो ये कह रहे हैं, within a period of 60 days. Apart from this, it has been submitted that the single judge has based his decision on an ancillary issue that an opportunity of hearing has been given to the secretary. Mr. Hilal Ahmed, learned counsel for the appellant, has submitted that the power to withdraw affiliation rests with the board as would appear from the section 7 of the Bihar State Madarsa Education Board. The chairman of the board is not synonymous with the board, and any decision taken in his personal capacity as chairman would be not est in the eyes of law. For the reason there was no necessary for the appellant to have preferred an appeal before the special secretary appellate authority, regardless of provisions contained in section 28 of the rule, which provides a forum for appeal against the order passed by the board or the chairman. The reason for saying so is that there are certain powers which can be exercised by the chairman of the board in his individual capacity and under the exceptional circumstances, but such decisions are not to be ratified by the board in its next meeting. Nowhere in the rule is there any exception of the requirement of such decision, like withdrawal of the affiliation or grant of affiliation, to be made by the board only on the ground, only by the chairman. Apart from this, it has been submitted that the learned single judge did not avert itself on the issue that once the affiliation to the madrasa, इसमें यही सिर्फ कहा गया कि chairman alone has no power, the board has power. मेरा इतना ही सा कंटेंशन था, इसी वजह से हम यहाँ आए कि बोर्ड को भेज दिया जाए, बोर्ड इसको रेक्टिफाई कर ले.
बताइए कि बोर्ड की पावर अलग से है, सेपरेट, एंड हु पासेस ऑर्डर्स ऑफ द बोर्ड?
बोर्ड का पावर अलग है, चेयरमैन का पावर अलग है. अगर इसको पास ओवर कर दिया है तो मैं
मिस्टर काउंसिल, वी आर आस्किंग यू बिकॉज कम टू पेज 44, annexure 13 which you are challenging. The heading is Bihar State Madarsa Education Board.
तो हेडिंग है लॉर्डशिप, लेकिन पास किया ऑर्डर चेयरमैन.
So that's who passes orders for board?
चेयरमैन का पावर अलग. अगर
Mr. Council, I am asking you, who passes an order for the board?
फॉर द बोर्ड की मीटिंग होती है, वो 13 मेंबर
Who passes the order?
कम्युनिकेट करता है बोर्ड चेयरमैन. वो ऑर्डर पास होता है पूरे बोर्ड से. वो 13 मेंबर का बोर्ड होता है, वो पास करता है और चेयरमैन उसको
There is a provision under the act. Show.
पास ओवर कर दिया. मैं लेके आता हूँ एक्ट.
तो क्या 4 बार केस लिया जाएगा?
सेकंड हाफ में रख
आप आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं, आप सब कुछ तो लेकर आइए. आप जो
सेकंड हाफ में रख दिया था, इसको अब बेहतर होता है उसको डीओ को भेज दिया जाए, एक इंक्वायरी कर ले, इसलिए कि फिर से इंक्वायरी हो रही है सारे 2459 मदरसे का, फ्रेश इंक्वायरी हो रही है. अननेसेसरी लिंकर करने से कोई फायदा नहीं. डीओ इसको फ्रेश इंक्वायरी कर ले, जैसा होगा वैसा कर लिया जाएगा.
डीओ कर ले.
डीओ ही इंक्वायरी फिर से कर रहे हैं, इस 2459 मदरसे की डीओ इंक्वायरी फ्रेश कर रहे हैं
वो तो ऑर्डर पास किए डिवीजन बेंच।
डिवीजन बेंच से, उसी कैटेगरी में ये भी आता है, तो फिर से अपना
तो ये विड्रॉ
कर लेते हैं।
Council states that an inquiry is being conducted with regard to the validity of the concerned madrasas in terms of the directions issued by the division bench and does not press the writ petition at this stage. Dismissed is not pressed.
इसमें हम मेरे भी सुनवाई कर लिया जाए, कर ले, मुझे भी सुन लिया जाए।